Welcome back to another video, y'all. So in this one, the first 4 fish that you're gonna see are from our past 2 weeks from our out-of-state trips. It's just been real slow up there, or else I would have made another video by now. But with that being said, we really got onto them in some of North Carolina's freshly stocked delayed harvest streams. So luckily, North Carolina Wildlife Resource Commission put out the list of the delayed harvest streams that they are able to stock, and they went ahead and stocked quite a majority of them, and they've got some really beautiful fish inside of them from what we've seen. But you're gonna see a lot of brook trout in this video. I did manage to catch a slam out there, luckily, and 2 personal best brook trout for me on the fly, along with Carson as well. Also, special shout out to Carson. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have been able to get out on the stream as much as I have over the past month. If y'all haven't subscribed to him already, make sure you go and check out his YouTube videos. He just made one about this most recent trip as well. Hope you guys enjoy.
I've got the girdle, squirmy, and perdigon combo right now. Yep. There we go. Good one. Yeah. I might have him. He looks foul hooked. Sure is. It's okay, he can wear it if he wants to. It don't hurt my feelings. Hey, you come over here, bud. I think I got him. Oh no, I got him in the mouth too. He ate that little perdigon. Nice. All that work just for him to eat a perdigon. Yep. Wet the hand right quick. Wet the other one. Pop that out. She gone. There's a piggy back there, bro. He keeps missing. There we go. It's a good one. Very. Very pretty little rainbow. Yep, little bow. Looks like he ate the perdigon on the bottom. Add a little perdigon with a red. Hey, buddy. Little red tail on it. Oh, did you see that? Little rainbow just tried to come and get it twice. Little guy right by that stick. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can get it to come back. I gotta swing it out a little bit. He was right in here. There. Okay. Good man. I'll go down a little bit if you want to throw at him. I'll fish the back half. Oh, now I'll call it. Oh, that wasn't a very big one, but it was hot at this thing. Yeah, it was that little drift right here is what. Here we go. That's a solid fish. Decent. Nice rainbow there. Just get out the net. Swim out the net. Good. Tried to eat it again. There we are. Decent. Oh, don't do that. He's fighting harder than other trout that I've caught, and he looks pretty orange. Brown trout, what are you doing in here? Huh? Huh? What are you doing in here? We didn't know you were here. We didn't know you existed. I know if that big brown were to be sitting anywhere, it'd be right there underneath that cover. Oh hell, I had to wait for that. Might not even spook him, to be honest. I'll be pretty careful. Oh, I just had one right here at my feet. I seen where he went. Oh, okay, I see a few fish right here under this tree. I didn't spook him either. I don't know how. There we go. Good fish. Good sized brookie. Oh, he just slung me off. There goes another one right there. He's off too. Go for it. I'm on another one. Holy sh! Sorry. I just kept getting bit and bit and bit. There we go. There's like 30 of them right there. These guys over here have all seen my streamer now. I'm not tricking any of them. I say that until I got you. Let me free this fish real quick. Here. So what you do is, oh actually, with that you'll just want the forceps. He'll come right out actually. Yeah. The hook tool is a little bit, it's made for smaller bugs. Oh, thing ain't too deep. There you go. Beautiful.
Put my bug rod up. We're doing streamers only.
I would. Look at that. This is a beautiful brookie. He is all colored up. Oh my goodness. Yo, this thing is gorgeous. This is like colors you'd see in a wild fish. I don't know, he might have spit the streamer. He did.
Pull that belly. Yeah.
You see him under there still? They're hugging those rocks. There's nothing but brookies that are just fired up underneath that tree. Oh, look how beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and get the hook out for you. There. Go ahead and put you another one in there. Oh, that's a piggy. That's a piggy. Slow down, Hot Wheels. Hey, he spit it right there. Keep it low and you'll be good. Beautiful. Now point your rod tip north of it. There you go. See? Oh, get another one. There we are. And even more pretty brook trout. Dude, this one looks crazy. Oh my Lord. Beautiful little fish. Oh my Lord. For stock fish, I've never seen brook trout this colored up. It's beautiful. If it wasn't on camera, no one would believe it. I'm flattered that you guys like my ties this much. Good one. There goes a nice one. Got a nice one. Oh yeah, that is a very nice fish. Feisty little guys, man, it's crazy. Brown trout. Yep. Butter stick. First species that is not a brook trout of the day. Very pretty little brown trout there. Appreciate ya. I thought I forgot how to fish for a minute. Hey, buddy. Did you shake that damn thing for me? Hell yeah, you did. Good. Good one. I say good one. It's like 10 inches. Another brookie. He's fighting hard too. I think he's a rainbow. Yep. Oh, he's fired up. Bo.
Keep them like that. Oh. Yeah.
My rod north of you.
Yep. Oh. Holy. Is that real?
Can you take a picture for me?
Yes. Yes, I can take a picture for you.
From 24 all the way to pretty much the end, so
24. He's 20 inches at least.
very much so.
Yeah, he's 20 inches.
Oh, dude. I was like, maybe this fly is not gonna work, and then I see him come out of nowhere and just
Come on, I got him.
got him?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Is it the same one?
Nah, he's lighter. We got more gold on him.
That's good.
I sight fished him too.
Dude, your ESLs are rocking, and I haven't gotten much on mine.
Yo, throw these for
Where'd
like
my
10 or
rod go?
15.
Ah.
That scared me when you said that.
Now I probably should go. I'll throw him for a few casts. And
You're pretty gassed?
Yeah.
Nah,
Well,
blame you.
I would like to stay until nightfall, but
I'm with you. You sure you don't want to throw that one more time, bro?
yeah, I'll throw it one more time.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Thanks for tuning in to today's video. Most of these fish really didn't even feel real that we caught here in North Carolina's delayed harvest streams. They were just so beautiful, so colored up. Not something you typically see out of stocked fish. I'm sure anyone from any other state will be able to tell you that. But I also want to give another shout out to Carson. If you guys haven't seen his new video, it's already out before this one's been uploaded. Make sure to go give him a subscribe, leave a like and comment. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you haven't checked out my fly tying Instagram page, check it out. It's going to be highrpms_fly tying on Instagram. And if you guys have any questions about fly tying or just want tips and tricks to make your life behind the vise a little easier, feel free to shoot me a direct message. And I'm also open to making custom orders for a small batch of flies. With that being said, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.